immense pleasure to welcome you all to 22nd Asian Business and Social Forum, hosted by Asia One Magazine and URS Media Consulting.
Raj and Asia One for allowing me to be here. Doing things in your life to make money are important because you can help more people. But caring about people and touching each other is even more important. 12 years ago, I came to India, almost 13. I came to Mumbai. I have to not get emotional when I talk about this. I fell in love with India. I went and spent time at the university, at the medical schools. I spoke at your medical conventions. And I don't know if it's from the fact that my father's family was from the Middle East, or if it's because of just the wonderful country that you are. But I fell in love with everything about Mumbai and India. So when my business partner, Ted Baker, and my husband, Clayton Thomas, when we talked about growing the root brands and DRC Ventures to really help with sustainability and regeneration, I met with people like Sadhguru. I met with different people all over the world, people like Raj and Lish, and different people from Asia One. And it really hit home for me that I needed to do a lot more the second half of my life. So I told my business partners that we had to spend time in India. It had to be one of our biggest countries. We do things in nutrition, we do things in education, we do things in fashion. I'm not actually a fashion designer, I'm a fashion engineer. I developed a clothing line that protects against 5G pollution and nuclear waste while I was at Harvard. And I worked really at trying to protect this world and make it a better place. Meeting with influencers and people of power have really helped our company grow. But meeting with people that don't have anything have helped us too. We have to connect to each other, and I think that all of us in this room can work together to really have a better future. It's a vision that can take reality if we spend our time, our influences, and even, yes, our money. And our family is dedicated to this from a nonprofit perspective as well as from a business perspective. So I have to disagree with my husband when he said, don't come to America, to the United States. I would love to invite any of you to come, and I would be your hostess. and I would make sure that you enjoy our country as well. Thank you so much for allowing us here today. Thank you for allowing us to do a fashion show, but I want to say this. Women that are beautiful in beautiful clothing, that matters. But women that have beautiful hearts and minds, and men that protect them, that matters too. The women that will be wearing the clothing today come from different designers, but it has the fabric that I worked on as a scientist to protect against the environment, pollution, heavy metals, and 5G. So I just wanted to make sure you guys know that anything that we bring to this country will be to help make this world a better place. Thank you so much.